Hello, in this video I share with you how I peel, cut, wash and cook yam. So let's dive into it. So here I have my half tuber of yam. I will have to cut this first, so keep watching and see how I do the cutting, peel, wash and cook. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, thanks so much for returning, and thanks all my genuine subscribers for your wonderful support. I really appreciate. Don't forget to like, thumbs up because it means a lot, and don't forget to share. So this part is the hard part, so I'm going to be keeping this aside. I won't cook it. Is good for planting. That is why I cut it that way. So next is to begin the peeling of yam. If you're not careful with the peeling of yam, it's going to inch the skin. Like I always have that skin inching if I don't cut it properly. So this is how I I peel my yam. I first cut them in a round or circular form, and then next I take my time to peel them. Some prefer peeling the whole yam from the head to the toe. Then after peeling you begin to cut it. For some they like it that way, but this is me. I love to peel my yam. Then after that I'll just cut them to the shape or the size I would like to eat in the house. And this is an old yam, so it's super strong, so I have to cut them a bit smaller. And after that I take my knife to make sure I peel off any skin left over. So after peeling that part, it is not enough for the family, so I have to bring another tuber, and this is it. So here I'm going to be cutting it from the head part. So that is the bottom part, so to speak. So I'm going to be cutting from the head. I'll first cut out the head for planting. Make sure there's a little fresh attached to it, so you can plant it, because this is actually planting season, yam planting season, because it didn't start raining early enough. So I'll set that part aside and then cut the part that we'll be using to cook. You can see how I'm struggling to cut it because it's a bit hard. It's dry yam. It's not and we don't have new yam anymore, so it's a dry one. So after peeling that to get enough for the family, I will take my time to take away the peel, that is the back. And then this is the two heads, setting them aside for planting. And then I will go ahead and also cut it to the shape good for cooking, the size we love to cook. And then wash, give it a thorough wash it. And while this is going on, I place 1 to 2 liters of water in a clean pot and allow it to heat up to begin my yam cooking, so it gets cooked quick. The yam will not be soaked inside the water before it starts cooking. So you see the water is already heated up. You see, notice the bubbles inside. So I'll just go ahead and add the yam and allow it to cook. And if you like putting salt while cooking it, then you go ahead and do that. Some don't like to add salt, some prefer to add sugar, but this yam is super sweet, so we don't need to do that. So thanks so much, Jenny subscriber, for watching. And if this is your first time, thanks, and don't forget to like. Stay safe and bye for now.